Setting up multiple sheets means if you want to take more sheet, if you want to take another sheet, how can you insert? Well, in 2007 by default 3 sheets are there, but in the latest version sheet only 1 sheet is there. So if you want to insert any sheet, how can you insert? Go to the home tab and select the insert option and insert sheet. Now new sheet is there. Or you can right click here and select the insert option. What do you want? Sheet, worksheet, click OK. And there is a shortcut key also, that is shift plus F11. So if you will press shift plus F11, the new sheet will be inserted, as you can see here in the sheet tab. So using these 3 ways you can insert a new sheet. Now next option is creating reference to other worksheet. Like currently I am on sheet 2, and on sheet 1 there is some details, some data is there. So I want to calculate this computer marks with this 84. Okay, so here I have mentioned 85. This data, this marks, they are present in G column and 6 row. So if I want to calculate sheet 1 marks here, so this is known as cell reference to other worksheets. So how to perform it? Is equal sign is very important. Now I need to enter the cell address of this 84 value, that is in D6, then add a plus sign. Now that data, that computer marks, 85 marks, are present on sheet 1. So I need to mention sheet 1 here. The sheet name is sheet 1, that's why I am giving sheet 1. If you have changed sheet name, suppose you have given the name to sheet 1 the half yearly, then you have to use the half yearly here. Means whatever the sheet name is, you have to use it the same. Here I have not changed the sheet name, that's why I am giving sheet 1. Then sign of exclamation, and after this you need to give the address. So that was in G6. Now press the enter key. So here you can see I have added computer marks of half yearly with this 84. So using this formula you can reference to other worksheet also. Now next is creating reference to other workbook. If you have data on different workbooks, so you can combine that data, you can give the cell reference to another workbook. So let's see how to perform this. Firstly, I am opening one more sheet. Like currently I have opened practice sheet, and now I'm going to open practice sheet 2. So as you can see, I have opened 2 sheets named practice sheet and practice sheet 2. So on practice sheet I have given the marks of half yearly, and on practice sheet 2 I have given the marks of annual. So if you want to combine these 2 marks, so how will you perform this action? Now I am taking one more new workbook and I'm saving it with the name grand total. So currently I am on the worksheet named grand total, and I want to get the grand total of computer. So press the is equal to sign, and you want to calculate the total, so you will use the function sum and give the parenthesis start, and after this go to the practice sheet where I have entered the marks of half yearly, and I am selecting the computer marks. After this you can see I'm going on the grand total sheet. You can see the address is there. You yourself can type it manually, or selecting the cell, it's better to type manually, because when we type manually sometimes it happens we forget some marks, any formula, any bracket we have pressed wrongly. So it's better to give the cell address using the mouse. After giving the first reference, now I need to put a comma. Then I will go to the practice sheet 2 where I have mentioned the marks of annual exams. Now I will select the computer again, And now I will go to the sheet grand total. Here I will just close the parenthesis and press the enter key. So you can see here you have got the grand total. Let's see, is it correct or not correct. 170 is there, and in half yearly 85, and in half year annual exams also 85. So let's see, 85 plus 85 is 170. So it means the cell reference to another workbook has been done correctly. Next option is inserting hyperlink. You can link any other file with your name, picture. Like currently I am on the grand total, and now I am linking half yearly file. Here I am typing half yearly, and here I am typing annual exam. So now I will link the half yearly exam file with the name half yearly and annual exam file with the name annual. So select it and go to the insert tab, select hyperlink. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus K, and from here you need to select your file. If it is not available there, if it is not visible there, you can browse. My file is in document. I'm selecting practice sheet. In practice sheet I have given half yearly marks and selected open and OK. You can see the color has been changed and underline is there. It means it has been linked with a related file. Now I'm linking the file annual, Control K, and in practice sheet 2 I have entered the marks of annual exams. Click OK. Now it is also linked. Now the file has been opened here. I'm closing it, closing both the files, practice sheet 1 as well as practice sheet 2. Now let's see how to open this file. You can see I have opened just one file. And now I'm opening the practice sheet, means half yearly exams, using the link. Just click on it, the file will be opened. Annual exams, just click on it simply and it will be open. On sheet 1 there is marks, and you can see I have opened these two links. The color has been changed. Next and last option is import data from external source. Suppose you have your file in any other software, so you can import that data in Excel. So how will you perform it? Just go to the data tab and select the related file from here. Select the related software. Suppose you have a file in Access, so just from Access select, then all the files which are in Access, it will be available here. And I'm selecting a file, open, just click on OK, and you can see it is imported.